globalization. For me, there are many factors that globalization can affect the advantages and disadvantages of globalization. One of the advantages that globalization can affect is there are many economic growths in the country. There will be an economic growth in the country. The economic growth is nearly impossible to ignore. It gives access to global supplies and resources. Potential economic growth development in many tourists will visit our country that can give us economic growth. Another one is the technology. Because of the technology, the research is more and easy and convenient. Easy ways to learn, especially the students. There is more clear information that can be searched on internet. Advantage of globalization is when a person or a student yung pong uh, is not responsible and advantage of globalization example is in the technology. When a student is not responsible in kung paano gamitin yung technology, mas maaring makakasira ito sa kanila. Many students will not responsible in people is not responsible in using internet because others may search for hindi yung mga hindi po kapaki-pakinabag. Kumbaga, mas naabuso po nila yung internet na nakakapag-cause ng pagkasira sa kanila. Yun po yung nakikita kong disadvantage of globalization tulad sa mga students. Kaya kailangan po be responsible in using internet technologies na nakapaloob sa globalization. Yun lang po. Thank you.